Hi everyone, I'm Carrie Palmer. I'm your instructor for this medical terminology class, and I'm also the instructor and program director for our medical assisting and scribe programs here in the Health Science Division at Shasta College. I wanted to be able to participate in this discussion for this week and answer the would you rather question. So the question that I chose is, would you rather be invisible or be able to read minds? So it would be fun to be invisible, I suppose. It could be a good or bad thing. But I think that I would prefer to be able to read people's minds. And I suppose that could be a good or bad thing too. But sometimes I would like to be able to just know what's going on inside the heads of other people. So that's a simple answer. I don't have anything big philosophical, but I just think that that would be a fun thing to do. So I'm excited to get to know all of you as we move forward in this class. Um, Please know that I am always available to you. You can contact me, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. I'm quick about getting back to you. Um, and hopefully you'll take away some knowledge from this class. I think that's going to benefit you not only in your careers, if that's health science related, but also certainly in your own personal life. I think medical terminology gives us an edge uh, when it comes to our own healthcare, just so that we have a better understanding of the language that's being spoken in the world of the healthcare industry. So, welcome. I'm excited and I look forward to the next several weeks.